paid here with tickets, which is kind of weird, but we're gonna try it. What is our slam?
So he's playing Slam-A-Wiener?
Yeah, that's Slam-A-Wiener. Ooh. Come on, give me something good. Ooh!
Oh, see? Called that.
Alright. Oh. Oh my god, 2? Come on, give me something good. I gotta get something good.
Ooh, in and out.
I love that. Fast food.
Yeah, it's good burgers.
It's like loud, sort of.
Whoa, how are you getting so much? You only got
Whoa.
10.
Wait.
What the?
Whoa. Heck yeah.
Come on, everybody.
I got one ticket. Alright, let's try one more time.
That was weird.
Sweet. I'm not complaining. Oh.
Lit, lit, lit.
Oh my god, give me something good. 1? I want to get like a good jackpot here.
Oh.
2 bonus plays.
2 boner plays.
That's
Bonus plays, I mean.
Sweet, I got 2 credits. Alright, come on, give me something good.
She's drunk already.
Oh, come on. 5.
Oh,
2
again?
bonus plays? Oh. It's kind of fun though. Alright. We got this, we got this. Oh my god! I think they rigged it.
Wow.
Oh, I gotta wait. Alright, last try. I've invested too much into
Alright,
this.
maybe start singing Kumbaya, you'll have good luck. Oh, wow. One more.
One more.
Always one more. Oh.
Okay. 100? 9. Alright, I'm done. Let's see what we got.
That was fun.
For like $5.
Crank the handle before time runs out.
Crank that so now I'm you.
This kind of looks like 5 tickets. I don't really like games like this. There's really no like skill involved.
I know. You just need to have a little bit of muscle.
Okay, go ahead and give it a crank.
Oh yeah.
First ball drops in 3, 2, 1.
Be careful where you drop your balls now.
Oh.
Oh. Where do you want to try to get it?
750. I didn't know where.
Thanks for playing.
Too used to
Sound like it floats at you.
First ball drops in 3, 2, 1.
Whoop! Damn it.
I want it to go right in there,
Ooh.
So incredibly close. Try.
Sure.
What's the best way to like, if I go like that, you can go with that.
Yeah. Yes, just what you needed.
Play again.
That's it, though?
You get to play. You get to play again.
Okay, still got
Oh.
I thought that was a 75.
That was close. Grab your tickets. Try again.
Oh.
Incredibly close. Thanks for playing. Try again.
Oh.
That was close.
I don't know.
brand new tickets. Try again.
Alright guys, I just got almost, oh my god, I almost got 3,000. Alright, let's start shopping, see what we can buy here at the prize hub. This is pretty cool actually. The biggest thing they have in here though is a webcam, which kind of sucks. I don't even want that, so I did want...
What's for a PC?
I don't even have a PC. Oh, I wanted the sticky hands. Select prize. Yes. Getting the sticky hands. Right there. It's only 15 tickets. That's not too bad, right? Oh, that's so cool. That's legit.
Is ready.
That's legit.
It's a fridge over.
Oh, I want one of these. You want one of these?
For free?
Oh, yeah.
Why not?
Alright. Or you can
I'll
pick
take anything for free.
cheap. Or you can pick something else, I suppose. Mystery capsules.
I have an egg. I want an egg one. Baits. Smash the baits on the floor.
Alright.
They got it to me.
Look at that. That's so cool.
Your prize is ready.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I want one of these. Slug is cool. It's really cool how that works though.
Your prize is ready.
It's cool. Alright, what you want?
I want one of those vegetables.
Vegetables?
Or the splatting things like the
Okay.
tomato or-
You only get like one small piece of candy.
Yeah. You can get a freaking Tootsie Roll.
Your prize is
Dude.
ready.
That's ridiculous.
One Tootsie Roll.
See?
The capsule is more than the Tootsie Roll. Alright. This is 1,000 tickets for a Darth Vader thing. One freaking prize I want. I want magics now. Alright, let's get something from this side.
Your prize is ready. Your prize.
Alright, I don't have a lot of footage, so I'm going to stop it and I'm going to start it again once we got everything. Because it'll be a while, so.